medicine, I tried therapy, I tried somebody else for a couple weeks. Now I know why it's been so hard to breathe. Yeah, I need